They thought they could betray you, replace you, and walk away untouched. They were wrong. Blank. Underscore. Blank. 1. Betrayal never ends clean. Betrayal always leaves a mark, even when no one sees it. People who discard others don't escape consequences, they delay them. They may look happy now. They may smile, post, celebrate. But appearances are cheap. What begins in deception always carries destruction inside it. Action. Stop watching their life. Detach your attention. Clarity begins when observation ends. Blank. Underscore. Blank. 2. The illusion of their upgrade. They didn't find better. They found different. Novelty feels powerful, for a moment. But excitement fades fast when there is no depth underneath. Real connection isn't thrilling. It's steady. And people who chase thrills don't understand steadiness until it's gone. Action. Do not compare. Comparison feeds illusion. Ground yourself in reality, not appearances. Blank. Underscore. Blank. 3. Why they seem happy, and aren't. People don't post their doubts. They don't share regret. They don't publish emptiness. Those who betray often run, not forward, but away from themselves. Distraction becomes their survival strategy. But running never resolves anything. It only delays the reckoning. Action. Resist the urge to interpret their happiness. Silence your curiosity. Peace grows where questions stop. Blank. Underscore. Blank. 4. Karma works quietly. Karma doesn't rush. It doesn't announce itself. It allows people to enjoy their choices. Until those choices mature into consequences. Those who replace will be replaced. Those who betray will be betrayed. Not because you wished it, but because life balances itself. Action. Do nothing. Do not interfere with timing. Restraint is wisdom. Blank. Underscore. Blank. 5. Your silence is power. They expect reaction. Emotion. Proof that they mattered. Silence denies them all of it. When you withdraw energy, they lose control. Uncertainty unsettles them more than anger ever could. Silence isn't weakness. It's finality. Action. No explanations. No updates. No emotional access. Blank. Underscore. Blank. 6. When their new life cracks. Relationships built on betrayal carry unstable foundations. Eventually, patterns return. The same flaws. The same conflicts. The same emptiness. And when novelty dies, comparison begins. That's when regret forms, slowly, quietly, relentlessly. Action. Stay focused on growth. Healing compounds over time. Distance accelerates clarity. Blank. Underscore. Blank. 7. Becoming unreachable. The greatest shift happens when access ends. Not blocked. Not dramatic. Just gone. Unreachable means your energy is no longer available. And that realization cuts deeper than words. Action. Protect your space. Move forward without announcement. Let absence speak. Blank. Underscore. Blank. 8. The final outcome. They won't get closure. They won't get redemption. They won't get another chance. By the time they understand what they lost, you'll be unrecognizable. Not because you changed for revenge, but because you evolved without them. Action. Rise quietly. Build privately. Let results replace explanation. Blank. Underscore. Blank. They thought losing you meant winning. Time will teach them otherwise. If you found value in this video, subscribe to Silent Stoic. So each day, you become stronger and more composed. Question for the comments. What did silence teach you about your own strength?